Welcome to Cantine Zuffa. I am Augusto Zuffa and my family produce wine since the 18th century. Our wines are produced in the lovely hills of Imola, Casalfiumanese, Dozza. All our wines are organic and certified for Europe, United States, Canada and China. This is the best bottling plant available in the world. Here we have this.
Welcome to our country house. This is a place where our guests taste our wines matched to the cuisine that is typical in Romagna.
Here we are at the vinification room. Here we process all the grapes. This is our wine shop. Here you find the wines that are sold all over the world. All are organic.
What makes Italy great in the world? The inner gastronomy. This precious fruit that through the transformation into wine makes us unique and irreplaceable in the world.